21 फर्स्ट पार्ट साइन एफ एक्स बराबर है साइन एक्स प्लस ए एक्स. लेट ए बी एनी रियल नंबर एफ ए साइन ए प्लस कोस ए. लिमिट एक्स टेंड्स टू ए एफ एक्स लिमिट एक्स टेंड्स टू ए साइन एक्स प्लस कोस एक्स. पुट एक्स इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस एच और ए माइनस एच. एनी वन लेफ्ट एंड राइट लिमिट x tends to a then s tends to 0. Put here sin a put here x is equal to a plus h and cos x a plus h. Limit s tends to 0. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Then we use identity. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b and cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. This is variable. Sin a constant, limit s tends to 0, cos h. Cos a constant, limit s tends to 0, sin h. Similarly, cos a constant, limit x tends to 0, cos h, and minus sin a, limit x tends to 0, sin h. Cos 0, 1, it means sin a. Sin 0, 0, cos a into 0, 0. Cos 0, 1, that is equal to cos a. And then sin 0, 0, 0. This becomes sin a plus cos a. So, limit x tends to a, f x is equal to f a. तो f x is continuous at x बराबर a any real number. Similarly, we can do second and third part. Question number 22. One part of 22. Cosecant x. f x cosecant reciprocal of 1 of sin x. Let a be any real number. f a sin 1 upon sin a. This means this here sin x not equal to 0. This is remember. X tends to a f x, limit x tends to a 1 upon sin x. Put x is equal to a plus h, as x tends to a, x tends to 0. Put here a plus h, sin a plus h. It means sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Limit s tends to 0, here 1 sin a, limit s tends to 0, cos h plus cos a, limit s tends to 0, sin h. 1 by cos 0, 1, it means sin a, plus cos a sin 0, 0, this means 0. 1 upon sin a, it means cosecant a. Here in the beginning f a 1 by sin, that is also cosecant a. So limit x tends to a, f x is equal to f a, then f x is continuous at any real number x is equal to a. f x is equal to x square sin 1 by x if x not equal to 0, 0 if x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, function value is 0. For left hand limit x tends to 0 negative, x square sin 1 by x. Put x is equal to 0 minus x, as x tends to 0, s tends to 0. Put here s tends to 0, 0 minus h का square sin 1 upon 0 minus h. Minus square positive, h square. S square. Sin minus theta minus sin theta, it comes out. That here minus sin theta. Here we can h is equal to 0, 1 by 0 in infinity. Sin cannot have infinity value. For this is equal to 0. Sin have value between minus 1 and 1. We can write 0 into a finite quantity between minus 1 and 1. 0 and a finite quantity between minus 1 and 1. 0 multiply this 0. For right hand limit 0 plus. This is the function x square. Put x is equal to 0 plus h. X tends to 0, h tends to 0. Here 0 plus h, sin 1 upon 0 plus h. That's sin 1 by h. Similarly, in first case, 1 upon 0 is infinity. Sin cannot have infinity value. For we can write 0 into a finite quantity between minus 1 and 1. 0 multiplied by this quantity is equal to 0. Left hand limit 0, right hand limit 0, function value 0, hence f x is continuous. It x बराबर है 0. Find the value of k that function is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. We have limit x tends to pi by 2, k cos x divided by pi minus x. We have to find any limit left or right. Put x is equal to pi by 2 plus h. As x tends to 0, x tends to pi by 2, then s tends to 0. Limit s tends to 0, k cos pi by 2 plus h divided by pi minus 2 into pi by 2 plus h equal to limit s tends to 0 k cos 90 plus theta second quadrant. This means minus sin theta. Pi minus 2 multiply this pi minus 2h. Pi cancel out. Limit s tends to 0. Minus k and minus 2 are constant. We have left with sin h by h. Cancel. We know that limit s tends to 0, sin h by h is equal to 1. This means k by 2 into 1. That k by 2. Since fx is continuous at x बराबर pi by 2, limit x tends to pi by 2, fx is equal to f pi by 2. This limit comes out to be k by 2 and value is given equal to 3. This means k is equal to 6. Find the value of k. The function is continuous at x बराबर 5. We have now firstly find out left hand limit at x is equal to 5. Limit x tends to 5 negative kx plus 1. Put x is equal to 5 minus h as x tends to 5, h tends to 0. Put h tends to 0. 5 minus h 0, 5k plus 1. For right hand limit 5 plus 3x minus 5. Put x is equal to 5 plus h as x tends to 5, h tends to 0. Put here 5 plus h. h 0, 3 5 is 15 minus 5, 10. Since fx is continuous at x बराबर 5, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Left hand limit 5k plus 1, right hand 10, taking out 1 this side, 10 minus 1 9, k is equal to 9 by 5.